Cancer is a group of diseases involving abnormal cell growth with the potential to invade or spread to other parts of the body. Types of cancer. Carcinoma is a cancer that starts in the skin or the tissues that line other organs. Sarcoma is a cancer of connective tissues such as bones, muscles, cartilage, and blood vessels. Leukemia is a cancer of bone marrow which creates blood cells. Lymphoma and myeloma are cancers of the immune system. Risk factors for cancer. Smoking and tobacco use, alcohol, lack of physical activities, being overweight or obese, poor diet, sun exposure, radiation exposure. Virus infections and other infections, exposure to cancer causing substances, family history and genetics, chronic inflammation, hormones, immunosuppression, age. The development of cancer in particular has been shown to be heavily influenced by your diet. Many foods contain beneficial compounds that could help to decrease the growth of cancer. There are also several studies showed that a higher intake of certain foods reduces lower risk of the cancer. 1. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, which is found in cruciferous vegetables that may have potent anti-cancer properties. Few studies showed that eating more cruciferous vegetables was associated with a lower risk of colorectal and colon cancer. Including broccoli with a few meals per week may come with some cancer fighting benefits. Higher intake of broccoli may be linked to a lower risk of the colorectal cancer. 2. Carrots. Several studies have found that eating more carrots helps to decreases the risk of certain types of cancer. They contain beta carotene, an antioxidant scientists believe may protect cell membranes from toxin damage and slow the growth of cancer cells. Carrots deliver other vitamins and phytochemicals that might guard against cancers of the mouth, esophagus, and stomach. Some studies suggested carrot protects against cervical cancer, perhaps because they supply antioxidant that could battle HPV, the major causes of cervical cancer. Cooked carrots supply more antioxidant than raw, according to a report in the Journal of Agriculture and Food Chemistry. 3. Beans. Beans are higher in fiber, which may be protective against colorectal cancer. Human and animal studies have found that a higher intake of beans could reduce the risk of colorectal tumors and colon cancer. In one study, participated large group with a history of colorectal tumors and found that those who consumed more cooked and dried beans tended to have decreased risk of tumor reoccurrence. Eating a few servings of beans each week may increase your fiber intake and help lower the risk of developing cancer. 4. Berries. Cancer were treated with bilberry extract for 7 days, which was found to reduce the growth of cancer cells by 7%. Freeze dried black raspberries to patients with oral cancer and showed that it decreased levels of certain markers associated with the cancer progression. Studies show these antioxidants protect the body from cell damage that could lead to skin cancer as well as cancers of the bladder, lung, breast, and esophagus. Blueberries rich in antioxidant and have been well studied for their cancer fighting effects. 5. Cinnamon. Antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. In a study that compared the antioxidant activity of 26 spices, cinnamon was the clear winner. Cinnamon has been widely studied for its potential use in cancer prevention and treatment. It acts by reducing the growth of cancer cells and the formation of blood vessels in tumors and appears to be a toxic to cancer cells, causing cell death. 6. Nuts. Few studies found that eating a greater amount of nuts was associated with a decreased risk of dying from cancer. Another studies found that eating nuts regularly a decreased risk of colorectal, pancreatic, and endometrial cancers. Brazil nuts are high in selenium, which may help to protect against lung cancer in those with a low selenium status. Serving a nuts to your diet each day may reduce your risk of developing cancer in the future. Alpha tocopherol is the form of vitamin E that traditionally received the most attention as an antioxidant in nuts. Both the cells and animal studies gamma tocopherol decreases the cancer cell growth. 7. Olive oil. Several studies have even found that a higher intake of olive oil may help to protect against cancer. New studies shown that certain extra virgin olive oil kills human cancer cells with no obvious effect on normal cells. In one studies demonstrated that a component found in some olive oils, oleocanthal, has this cancer killing power. Recent studies have shown that olives and olive oil contain antioxidant in abundance. Both olives and olive oil contains squalene and terpenoids deemed to be anti-cancer agents. 8. Turmeric. Few studies found that curcumin can kill many types of cancer cells in multiple ways. Cancer cells are less likely to become curcumin resistant. Curcumin targets only cancer cells, leaving healthy cells unaffected. Highly bioavailable form of curcumin called teracumin which fight against many cancer cells. Curcumin has also been shown to be effective in slowing the growth of lung, breast, and prostate cancer. 9. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits contribute to cancer prevention because they are being loaded with the vitamin C and other antioxidant, antimutagenic, and antiproliferative constituents. Research suggests that vitamin C may reduce the growth and spread of cancer cells and act as a therapeutic against certain types of cancer. One study found that who ate a higher amount of citrus fruit had a lower risk of developing cancers of the digestive and upper respiratory tracts. Few studies found that a greater intake of citrus fruit was linked to a reduced risk of pancreatic cancer. Few studies showed that high intake or at least 3 servings per week of citrus fruit reduced the risk of stomach cancer by 28%. 10th, tomato. This fruit vegetable is the epitome of a cancer fighting superfood. Tomatoes contain lycopene, the antioxidant phytochemical that also helps to prevent heart disease. Tomatoes are a non-starchy vegetable, decreases the risk of mouth, pharynx, nasopharynx, larynx, esophagus, lung, stomach, and colorectal cancer. Food containing beta carotene may decrease the risk of lung cancer.